Hey, have you been keeping up with Tesla's latest news? It's
Oh,
been
yeah,
crazy.
absolutely. It's like every day there's something new happening. Where do we even
Totally.
begin?
Well, maybe we should start with that massive recall they announced. The one involving over
Right.
376,000 vehicles.
Yes, that's the one. What's going on with that?
So apparently, there's this issue where the power steering can fail, making it harder to steer at low speeds.
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty big safety concern.
That's not good at all. But didn't they address it with a software update already?
Yeah, they did an over-the-air update back in October, but they still had to do a formal recall filing this week.
Oh, I see. So even with the update, they couldn't avoid the recall?
Exactly, and this is their second major recall in 2025 already.
Wow,
Investors are definitely spooked.
no kidding. How did the stock react to that news?
Well, on February 21st, Tesla shares dropped by about 4.6%. But it wasn't just them, the whole market was down. The
Right.
Dow fell nearly 700 points that day.
Yeah, I remember that. So it was a combination of the recall and the broader market sell-off hitting Tesla hard.
Exactly, and because Tesla has such a high valuation, forward PE ratio of 118 times earnings, it's more vulnerable during market corrections.
Makes sense. So where does that leave Tesla's stock price now?
As of February 21st, it was trading around $340, which is down 31% from its late 2024
Ouch.
peak. It wiped out a lot of those post-election gains linked to Musk's association with the president.
Speaking of Musk, what's this about a potential partnership with Nissan?
Oh, that. There was speculation about Tesla investing in Nissan and using their U.S. plants to boost production,
Interesting.
but Musk dismissed it on X.
Really? What did he say?
He said, the Tesla factory is the product, indicating they're focusing on their own facilities.
Got
So,
it.
no Nissan deal then.
Too bad. That could have been something.
Maybe, but Tesla seems to be going their own way. They did announce plans to enter the Indian market. They're
Oh?
hiring and considering importing cars from their German factory at reduced duties.
India is a huge market. That could be a big opportunity.
Yeah, but investors are cautious. The average Tesla model is still expensive for most Indian consumers, and there are infrastructure challenges.
True. So it's not going to boost revenues in the near term?
Probably not significantly. Plus, Tesla's facing other headwinds, a 1% global sales drop in 2024, and regional declines in places like Germany and Canada.
That's concerning. What's causing those declines?
In Germany, it's partly due to Musk's far-right political endorsements, which have turned off some consumers.
Ah,
In Canada, it's high interest rates and subsidy uncertainties.
so political and economic issues are both hitting sales.
Exactly, it's like a perfect storm of challenges, and
Yeah.
all this is weighing on the stock.
Do analysts have any hope for Tesla's future?
Well, they're split. Optimists like Dan Ives see long-term catalysts, but bears like Ross Gerber are predicting a potential 50% crash in 2025.
Wow, that's quite a range of opinions.
It is. Investors are probably waiting for more clarity on Q1 sales and delivery figures before making big moves.
Makes sense. So what's your take on all this? Do you think Tesla can bounce back?
Well, it's hard to say. They have a history of overcoming challenges, but these issues are significant. It might be a
Right.
rough ride ahead.
You know, I think we might be underestimating Tesla's resilience. They've bounced back before, haven't they?
True, but the combination of global sales declines and Musk's controversies could be harder to overcome this time.
Maybe. But don't forget their strong innovation pipeline. The Cybertruck, for instance, could generate a lot of buzz.
That's a good point. If they can deliver on their promises, it might reinvigorate investor confidence.
Exactly?
It's like, a marathon runner hitting a tough patch but finding a second win. Tesla
Yeah.
might just need that big win to get back on track.
Exactly. So perhaps it's too early to count them out.
You might be right. We'll have to keep an eye on how things unfold.
Definitely. Well, thanks for the chat. It's always great to dissect these developments with you.
Same here. Until next time.